Welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. Thank you so much if you've been following along with this unboxing series. Today we're opening up the 7th gift of our Sallie Tomato Co Box. So we are halfway through opening up these special gifts. And today's gift might be a little unexpected, so let's go ahead and open up this sweet little box and see what's inside. So the sticker on the outside of the box says, "Get hooked, darling." Simply hook your purse or bag to this beautiful new accessory on the edge of a table or chair to keep it off the floor. So here is today's gift. This is a special piece of hardware that we designed. We designed a purse hook, which I thought would be super useful for all the bags that you're making. This purse hook has a unique design. We have a gate ring attached to the bottom along with a Sallie Tomato charm for some extra bling. So the gate hook is to attach your bag. So you can just open the gate ring and then slide your handles or straps over the into the opening and then close it so that way you have your hook attached to your bag at all times, and then you can switch it between bags. And this is a great accessory to have attached to your bag, so you could even have multiple purse hooks, and it's designed to also sit on the edge of a table or a chair. So there are many different ways that you can hang your purse to keep it clean and safe. So thanks so much for watching today's gift opening, and I'll see you tomorrow for another gift.